Hi, it's Emilia here. In this video I will create a romantic card with hot air balloon as a main element with Lemoncraft Serenity collection. This collection is very beautiful, very delicate, romantic, and will be perfect for any shabby chic cards, for any delicate and romantic projects. My card is slightly smaller than 6 by 6, and for the background I have chosen two papers, one with the wooden pattern and the other one blue with the floral elements. And also I have a piece of white card which is slightly bigger than my blue layer. I will stick the blue and white together to create a nice white border around my blue paper, and then I will attach them to the card. I'm also going to cut out some elements from the paper pad, and my main element on the card will be hot air balloon. Also, I'm going to cut out some flowers and many leaves. To create my card, I have few elements which I'm going to use, and I got one paper doily and a blue circle which will be background for my hot air balloon, and I also die cut some leaves, and I decided to color the edges of them with the green ink. The leaves are cut out of the blue paper from the pack. The hot air balloon will be in the center of my card, and I'm going to add leaves on both opposite sides of it to create nice floral composition and to make that card very interesting. With that simple video, I'm trying to show you that not always you need many embellishments and many flowers to create a really nice card. Sometimes it's if you have lovely papers and few embellishments, you can make it really working. And as you can see here, nice elements which you can cut out of the papers can really do the job for you.
I
I like to create dimensional layered compositions, and this is one of them. To finish it off, I'm going to add 2 string bows, and then I will attach a sentiment to my card. I have chosen Be Happy, and I think it looks really nice here. This is cut out of the A4 pad, and in the pad you will find many more sentiments. So my card is almost ready. I'm going to add a little bit of glue here and there on the leaves and on the flower, and then I will sprinkle that with the clear glitter. It will not be seen a lot, but it will give a nice sparkle to the card. And my last step will be to add few pearls, and the card is ready. Thank you so much for watching and for visiting my channel again. I hope you like the card, and I encourage you to create something similar. Please tag me on social media using tag Emilia Sieradzan or Lady E Design so I can see your work. I hope I can inspire you to create something beautiful. Thank you so much again, and also visit Lemoncraft blog or Lemoncraft Facebook page, because you will find lots of lovely inspirations there. All the links to the products and to the pages are listed below the video. Take care, have a lovely creative day. Bye!